You drive from the big city of Houston to Angleton, you pass through all the farmlands and the rice fields. It's this nice, quiet community.
When we first came down here and decided to open up the shop, I opened up the shop with both my daughters. And they had absolutely no idea about cars other than driving them and putting gas in them. And these girls know more than most guys do about cars.
Working with my family here at SS Motor Trends, it's huge to me. We're growing a business and it's really special.
Prior to Comcast coming into town and providing their internet service, it was definitely difficult to run the business, especially if the internet's dropping and you're losing service. Now my business has grown exponentially.
We use Comcast internet various ways here at the shop. Our technicians, they're using their scan tools to read codes and to diagnose the vehicle. The girls, they're using it to look up parts and also order parts electronically.
I think rural Texas is the place affected the most by the lack of internet. We're thankful that Comcast realized that that was a challenge we had in Angleton and aggressively took that on, providing options to residents. Over 3,000 homes and businesses have internet thanks to Comcast.
If I was going to compare high-speed internet to an engine in the automotive world, I would say it's like having a supercharged vehicle. Very fast. Turbo, supercharged is what you're looking for in a performance vehicle. And adding high-speed performances in your internet speed is what you're looking for in internet connectivity.